I just did a video on Square. I will put a link in the description. PayPal and Square compete against each other. PayPal has their Cash app, and PayPal has their Venmo. Both companies allow you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, so both companies are in the digital mobile payment um, industry. So let's get right into it. PayPal operates as a technology platform and digital payments company. And so years ago it made sense, right, that they got into the crypto space. This was about 4 years ago. PayPal announced that it was beginning to support cryptocurrencies, allowing PayPal account holders to store, buy, and sell popular virtual currencies. Now, there's one difference between Cash App and PayPal. On PayPal, when you buy and sell cryptos, you can't offload that onto, say, your personal wallet. I believe when you use the Cash App and you say you buy Bitcoin, you can offload that Bitcoin onto your personal wallet. In the crypto space, it goes not your crypto, not your keys, not your crypto, right? So, um, PayPal's case, they custody the cryptocurrencies. Cash App, Square, Block, you can offload those cryptocurrencies. So in any event, when PayPal made the announcement, it was probably the most significant company in the financial tech sector to adopt supporting cryptocurrencies. But since that time, price has collapsed, right? Why? Because we had a collapse in Bitcoin, right? Part of the crypto winter. You had a high of 313, low of 65, right? How do you make money? You buy low, you sell high, right? What we do as retail investors, we sell low and buy high. Buy high, FOMO sets in. Sell low. Oh, I'm in a loss on paper. I better get out. So here's an example of what you should do. So PayPal's Dan Schulman plans to step down from the CEO position at the end of the year from PayPal. Why is he stepping down? Well, it's probably based on price performance, I believe, or at least has something to do with it. Prices are off, 66% roughly. But here's the kicker. On February 17th, he purchased about $2 million worth of PayPal stock. That's unusual for an outgoing executive, as they are usually net sellers, not net buyers, right? If you're getting out of the business, you want to offload your assets pertaining to the business that you oversee or run. But in this case, he's a buyer. So this could mean one thing, right? He must see PayPal being undervalued. And just looking at the charts, you can say that it's undervalued, right? If this is very expensive, this is very cheap. Now, also recently, as a testament to it being undervalued, JP Morgan increased its price target to $103 from $95. And Wells Fargo raised their price target from $97 from $95. That's not much, but so according to analysts on Wall Street, they think that price can go up roughly 25%. I'm just gonna mark off $60. Actually, I'm gonna mark that little itty bitty zone right there, right? $62. For me, that would be a good entry to buy. Right? You had a rally in price, you had a pause, and a rally. Price came back, couldn't hit it. Price came back, couldn't hit it. So it tells you that there's buyers here. All right, for the fact that these wicks could not get to the zone. Below that, there are buyers. buyers. So let's just mark it off now. And we'll mark off 100 as that's where the analysts think that price can get to, at least short term. Case in point, that would be an opportunity to offload if you are already in a position or you're planning to buy between current price and the $100 level. Alright, let's go to the weekly chart. Not really saying much. I think you have to play the extremes. These moving averages are pointing down, so there might be some more downside movement. You have low, 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 high, low, 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 high. Maybe the next leg down is to this zone where there are monthly buyers waiting. Let's go to the weekly chart. So yeah, this was probably a decent zone here. So you had a drop in price, right? You breached this pivot low. So there were sellers here. So what happened when buyers came back? It sold off. I would think that price, since its momentum is pointing down, we're going to fill this gap at 71. So although analysts are saying that price can move to the $100 level, they're not saying when, right? So price could come down before going up. And that's what I anticipate. I anticipate price getting to the 60 to 50 level and at least reacting, if not reversing. But for now, you have to play the extremes. On the upside, $100 level. On the downside, the 63 level. Until next time.